Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Tracy, Crochet Rocks here, and I've got another yarn of the week for you. So it's nearly 2026. It is New Year's Eve, and I figured, wait a minute, that you know that you've had this little hankering to use this yarn. Maybe that will help kickstart your Crojo off. So what I wanted to do was to use it to do another thing in one of the other series that I'm making, but I won't give too much away. So I figured while I was out there looking at it, thinking, what colour? I thought, do a yarn of the week, bring them all in and make a little reduction in your shop. It was already reduced to be cheaper than, say, the Wool Warehouse. But I will put a little more discount on it because I always do that for yarn of the week. But I love this yarn, really, really do. It's so nice. And I loved the fact that it was the first one to come up with these massively vibrant, beautiful colours. So let's get straight in then. And it is the Stylecraft Squeeze Me yarn. And I love it because there are some amazing colours in this. So the Squeeze Me, it says that it's a DK. And it's not the fattest of chenilles, which is another reason that I really like it so much, because I find when crocheting, sometimes chenilles are just a little bit too much. And I've been wanting to use this yarn for quite some time. And this one, as you all know, I love blue, is one of my favourite colours. It's called Cobalt, I believe. Where are we? It's itchy nose. I've been fussing the cat, that's why. Yeah, cobalt blue. So it says a DK. I reckon it's more of an Aran with that furriness. And it is 100% polyester. There are 200 metres and 218 yards. And it's got a 30-degree wash. You can tumble dry and iron it and dry clean it. Although I don't know anyone who dry cleans their crochet or knitting. So yeah, it's a 100-gram ball. And they are giving you... Looks like a 4mm crochet hook. That would be quite stiff, I would have thought. But, you know, I'm going to give it a try anyway and see which one works out better. But I'd use a 5, personally. But we shall see. Might split the difference and do 4.5. But that is cobalt blue, one of my favourite colours. Some of these don't have a lot left and others have more. So obviously it comes with the usual blacks and whites. I've got lots of black, which I was surprised about because all of these colours are so vibrant with black. But I know many people don't like to use black. I never find it a problem myself, but I know that a lot of people don't like to use it. And this is just called black. And it is look at that shine. It's so good. It's so nice. I love that. And then the white, probably just called white, which it is, and it's like snow. It really is, which some parts of the country are getting quite a bit of today, I believe. Not me. Sunny for a change. Lovely out there. Oh, I say lovely to look at. When you go outside, it's bitter. I had to go out in the yarn van earlier and lost feeling in my fingers. I didn't think I was out there long enough to warrant putting a heater on, and I was soon to come back. It was freezing. So this one's called Cream, and it is a nice kind of creamy colour. Now, this sparks a whole range of colours that go absolutely amazingly together. So that's Cream, and how pretty is the cream. And then you have Champagne. So again, they go together so well, cream and champagne. I'm going to put them down there. And then you have Stem Ginger. And Stem Ginger goes really well with those. Okay, so that's Stem Ginger. Very, very nice colour. Look at that. You know, wouldn't that look lovely if it was made into a teddy? I was going to make that something with that on. Won't give it away in case I do it. Golden yellow. So all of these. No, I haven't got very big hands. This is going to get interesting. I'll hold them like this. Okay. And chestnut. How cool are all of those together? chestnut is beautiful. They all look very dark when the nap goes one way, and then they've got this silky soft gorgeousness when the nap goes the other. And still there's another one that completes these and it goes so well together, and that is carrot. So look at all of those. They're all just beautiful. No, I don't know what to do. But this is, I think it's just, oh, carrot orange, as if we needed clarification on it being orange. But it's got this rich, gorgeous colour, and then when you see it with the light shining on it, it suddenly has this lighter, I think, I always used to refer to it as cuddliness. You know, when things have got that, and we've got a little bag down here, so I'm just going to drop them in. But all of those, they just go so well together, every one of them. It's beautiful. But then all these colours go really well together. They kind of marry together very, very nicely. These colours, they are beautiful. You can mix and match them all. You can add the white, you can add the black, and they all look phenomenal. So this one is apple, and it is I was going to make something with this. You know, I was doing those bottle bags before Christmas. I was going to make a Grinch one, and I had this colour lined up for that. But with my holiday and being ill and stuff, I never got a chance to do that. I just did Santa and the snowman. But this is the one that I was going to use the Grinch, and it does come up a little darker than you're seeing. It is more of a Grinchy apple. And then if you rub it the other way, it's silky soft and gorgeous. And then we have another green, which is an emerald green, and it is the colour of emerald green. It's beautiful, such a lovely colour, beautiful. And then of course wouldn't be complete if I didn't show you the red. Now this is called scarlet red, and it does show really mega bright. It's obviously because the light's shining on it, it's picking up that nap, but it is a little bit more rich and dark of a red than you kind of pick up, I think. But it is so nice. That's the red. So those are the kind of Christmassy colours. There's more. Oh my god. So we've got fuchsia pink, which is quite bright, and we have candy pink, which is just more, that's bright enough on its own, really. And then when you see this, it's no longer bright, is it? But both of them are beautiful. Fuchsia, candy pink. Again, they are a tad darker than you see. It's because there is this kind of duality. Oh, isn't that a good word? Duality about the colours because of that nap. But that is gorgeous. I love this one. So pretty. And then we have deep purple. Sounds like a band, doesn't it? But it does actually obviously look darker when it's up close and personal, because that, you know, that does kind of alter the colour just a tad. But it is absolutely beautiful colour. It's not one of those purples that are really in your face, you know, but it's like a royal purplage. Purple that is regal. And this one is called lilac. So yeah, it goes so nice together though. Where's purple? I put it away. They do go nicely together. They are very, very good at mixing and matching all the colours so that it looks so nice together, no matter what ones you pick up. They all look so good. So that is my yarn of the week. I will be using some of it on one of my other series, which, you know, probably gives it away anyway, just saying it. But that's my yarn of the week. I absolutely love it. It's so good. So watch out in the shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, if you want to crochet something that's lovely and warm, as well as not too thick and bulky, and all those vibrant colours. It's the yarn for you. Okay, so that's my yarn of the week. I'll say bye-bye, take care, and see you soon in 2026 probably. Bye for now.